Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Gamepass and please donate. So first of all, you want to go ahead and exit this experience. After that, you want to go on here on more, and then you're going to click create option. Then you will be redirected to this page, to your browser. On your browser, you want to click creations, and then you want to create a new experience, or just go ahead and choose your experience, for example, any of those. Then you want to scroll down until you see monetization, and then you're going to see passes. You want to click on that, and you want to create a pass. So you can leave it like so, or you can change your image if you want to. I'm just going to leave it like so. You're going to now give it a name, Gamepass example, for example. Then you can also give it a description and create a pass. Once the pass was created, you can now go ahead and edit it. So just click on it, then at the left corner you will see sales, and here you can list it for sale. So for example, something like so. Then you're going to save the changes, and you can go back to your passes and you will see your passes. You can create as much as you like. So that's pretty much it. Once you will be done with the passes, you can go back now to please donate. So let's go ahead and open it. Now you need to go to the any stand which is available, and then click E. And now your booth was claimed. You can go ahead and edit it if you want to. Let's edit the stand. And now you can do a lot of things here. Add your text here. You can go ahead and write the text here if you want to. For example, thank you. Now, after you've done that, you can unclaim the booth if you want to put it somewhere else. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.